This tutorial explains how to use the apropos and find functions in the R programming language. So without too much talk, let's dive into the R code. So in the first example of this video, I want to show you how to use the apropos function. And the apropos function can be used to find objects with a partial name. So in this case, I want to search for all functions that contain the characters max. So if you run line 2 of the code, you can see at the bottom in the RStudio console that a vector of function names is returned, and all these functions contain the character pattern max. So as you have seen in this first example, the apropos function can be used to find a list of function names. In the second example of this tutorial, I want to show you how to apply the find function to find a package name of a function. So in this case, I'm applying the find function to the varimax function. So if you run line 4 of the code, you can see at the bottom in the RStudio console that the varimax function is contained in the stats package. That's all I wanted to explain in this video. In case you want to learn more on this topic, you may check out my homepage, statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video so you can find it there. If you have liked this video or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I'll try to respond to all comments as soon as I can. Furthermore, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified about future video releases. I have already published about 500 videos on this channel, and I'm releasing new videos on a daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.